Hey everyone, is your Spotify Wrapped 2024 not showing up? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'm going to show you some quick and easy steps to fix the issue and get your Wrapped stats back on your screen. So let's jump right in. Make sure your Spotify app is up to date. Head to the App Store on iPhone or the Google Play Store on Android. If you see an update button instead of open, tap it to update your app. If the Wrapped section still doesn't appear, try restarting your phone. This simple step worked for me last year when I couldn't see it initially. If updating and restarting don't work, you might need to delete and reinstall the app. Uninstall Spotify. Re-download it from your app store. And log back into your account. This often resolves the issue. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy your Wrapped.